Jai Gurudev. In this video, I am going to tell you all about why palm oil is waste and horrible, and coconut oil is the best of all oils in the world. And after that, groundnut oil and sesame seed oil are best. In this video, I am going to tell you all about why palm oil is the worst oil in the world, and it's a waste oil and horrible oil in the world. And coconut oil is the best oil in the world, and groundnut after the coconut oil only, the groundnut oil and sesame seed oil are best oils. These Malaysian palm oil companies heavily funded the researchers to say that coconut oil, groundnut oil and sesame oils are waste oils, and only palm oil is the best oil like that. They have done horrible things in the Indian media and to giving huge amounts of money to researchers by making the researchers to say that palm oil is the only best oil and coconut oil, groundnut oil, sesame seed oils are waste oils. This will cause diabetes and other kinds of illnesses in your body, which are high level false things, and we should not believe these lobby companies at any cost. These Malaysian palm oil companies, we should not believe these Malaysian and Indonesian palm oil companies at any cost. Palm oil is a waste oil and horrible oil. In India, we used to have coconut oil, but then the whole research lobby said palm oil should be used and not coconut oil. But now they are saying that cold pressed coconut oil is the best oil. Now they are saying that like that, but in few years back they have done high level negative publicity against coconut oil. It will cause diabetes and other kinds of heart attacks and other kinds of illnesses, so that we should not use coconut oil. They have done high level propaganda. They have done high level propaganda like that against coconut oil. The cold pressed coconut oil is the best oil in the world. How did these people make palm oil is, first they take seeds from palm trees and they put them in seed factories and wash them and spray water continuously in the large number of racks in factories which have soil in the plastic packets. They put these seeds in the plastic packets. They put these seeds in the plastic packets and wash them and spray water continuously in the large number of racks in factories to encourage germination. After the seeds germinated, they put them in plant bags with soil and grows them in these soil bags. After some time, they replace with them big bags. For 10 months, these plants will grow for 3 feet tall. After that, after growing 3 feet tall, they plant these palm plants in agricultural fields. It will take 3 years to grow fully and 10 years to get high level growth, and it takes around 10 years to palm tree to grow fully and to give its products. This palm tree is similar to the jackfruit tree. This palm fruit is similar to jackfruit tree. Jackfruit type of yields. This gives yields like jackfruit type of yields, and this one fruit have hundreds of small palm fruits inside it. They take these things to factory and they boil these things in factory, and after that they crush these palm fruits, and oil from these fruits will be extracted in different stages from these palm trees. This Malaysia and Indonesia, they produce more than 90% of world's palm oil in the world. They produce more than 90% of palm oil in the world, and the India exports more than 90% of palm oil from these two countries. This waste NDTV India, they get huge amounts of money from these palm companies, and they have done many videos supporting palm oil and against coconut oil. Like, they said many things against palm oil, and they have continuously done many propaganda videos against coconut oil, which is good, but they have done many bad propaganda against coconut oil, that the coconut oil causes diabetes and other diseases like and heart attacks like anything. Today in the Time magazine also, in recent past also, in Time magazine, the research shows that the butter is good for you and not margarine. The margarine was used to substitute butter, but the whole research was all wrong. Similarly, in India they used to have coconut oil, but then a whole research lobby said palm oil should be used and not coconut oil. Now the cold pressed coconut oil is better than palm oil. Like that, they have doing many wrong things in India and in the world. These chemicals that were used in the last century are proving to be hazardous to health. Now they are using genetically modified seeds and products, and the employees of the company where these seeds are being made say we don't want to eat it and we should know what it means. That the employees of the Monsanto company, which is the largest GMO company in the world, they refuse to eat, and the largest lobby who destroys nature, this company destroys nature like anything, Monsanto company, the employees of Monsanto refuse to eat the GMO food in their canteen, because these people are only concerned about money. Even if the people die, they are not bothered about that. We have to keep an open mind about all things. It is proven right at one time but undisproved later on. There was a big wave in this country that peanut oil is very bad. In South India, Indian homes, they would use only peanut oil and gingerly oil, that is sesame oil. A company that want to promote palm oil said coconut oil is bad. These other oils are bad. Palm oil is the best oil. They have done high level propaganda about palm oil like this. And that now research has disproved that, because of that, suddenly people and everyone started using palm oil. Now research has disproved that and found that groundnut oil, that is peanut oil, is very good. It is best oil, and now they are singing the glory of peanut oil. In fact, people used groundnut oil in India for centuries, for millenniums. In Tamil Nadu, ginger oil is called as Nalla Ennai, that is very good oil. It is supposed to do so much good to our system. Since the oil market had to import all the Malaysian palm oil into India, some researchers made these sort of stories. The research was funded by these palm oil companies of Malaysia, and they corrupted these researchers, and they made these researchers to say all things against groundnut oil, sesame oil, and coconut oil. So the research conducted should be authentic, and we should keep our mind open for further research. In the future, if another research come up and says this is wrong, we should not hold on to it. We should be ready to embrace it. The beauty with ancient Ayurvedic system is that it is time tested for 5000 years. That is why tradition cannot be overlooked. Having said that, many times tradition has been interpolated. A lot of things have been kept in the name of tradition. For example, people say one should apply hot kheer on the body of a small boy, then the child will grow well. or dangle the child upside down for few minutes. Maybe some god will be pleased or something like that. These are all stupid things. These practices are very remote. Maybe some people follow these practices in the name of religion in the some villages. We should shun stupid practices like this in Hinduism, and we should take many great practices and continue these great practices in the society. Indonesia destroying forests in high level way in order to increase palm oil trees, lands and output. Forest contains many thousands of different trees and thousands of tropic culture is existed in the forest. But this Indonesia is destroying the forest in Indonesia in order to increase palm oil trees. They have planted millions of acres of lands for these palm oil trees. They have destroyed millions of acres of forest land in Indonesia and planted the palm oil trees in millions of acres of land in agricultural land, in millions of acres of forest land in. They destroyed millions of acres of forest land in Indonesia, and they have planted these palm plants in those forest lands, destroyed forest lands. Worldwide, 5 crore acres are being used for growth of palm oil trees. These palm oil trees, they put around 50 plants per acre. India is the largest palm oil importer today, spending more than $10 billion on it in 2015. Even more than it is spending on importing oil. Even more than it is spending on importing gold, India is spending and wasting high level money on importing the $10 billion of worth palm oil from these waste countries, from these countries like Malaysia and Indonesia. Even though palm oil is a worst oil and waste oil, we are importing in high level way and destroying our health in high level way. Spending about $10 billion of money, that will be around more than 50,000 crores of rupees of money per year from India. It is very unfortunate that even in India also they are trying to increase the plantation of palm oil, which is waste oil. They are planning in high level way to grow more palm oil, plant more palm oil trees in India. Indonesia produces more than 2 crore tons of palm oil per year, but India's production is very less. It is good that India production is very less. But in Andhra Pradesh, which is my state, leads in palm oil acreage among the 14 states and cultivating the crop in the country. Of the 2 lakh, more than 5 lakh acres in this Andhra Pradesh and Telangana are growing for palm oil. In AP, more than around 4 lakh acres are being used for growth of palm oil trees. It is very unfortunate that in AP also palm oil is taking huge space in the farming industry. In Telangana, more than 1 lakh acres of palm trees were planted. About 1 lakh farmers are in this palm tree cultivation. 90% of world's palm oil is from Malaysia and Indonesia. Palm oil is started in 1970. Around 1970, palm oil is started because of industrialization in those and highly technological development, and because of industrialization in those times, high level industrialization in those times. The palm oil started only recently from 1970 only, and growth started in 1980 only. 1 crore acres of palm oil plantation is in currently in Malaysia. India imports of palm oil increases more than 5 times in recent decade. 20,000 tons of palm oil is being produced yearly in the world. If you take it as average 20,000 tons for 50 years, then total palm oil is produced in the world is more than 10 lakh tons in the world. Because of factories were not available in past, because of that palm oil is not produced in history. Malaysia earning 50,000 crores of rupees per year on palm oil exports. The 10% of its exports are palm oil exports. Because of palm oil exports, Malaysia earning more than 50,000 crores of rupees per year from palm oil exports. In this way, the palm oil is worst oil of all oils, and coconut oil is the best oil. After that, groundnut oil and sesame oils are best oils. We should use coconut oil and groundnut oil and sesame seed oils, and we should throw this waste and horrible palm oil. We should not use this palm oil, which is very detrimental to our health. In this way, these Malaysian palm companies and Indonesian palm companies funded many researchers, and these crooked researchers, they have funded these researchers like anything, and they make these researchers say that the coconut oil, groundnut oil and sesame oils are waste and only palm oil is the best. Like that, they have done high level propaganda like this. We should shun away this high level propaganda, and we should use the best oils like coconut oil, groundnut oil and sesame seed oil. We should throw away this palm oil at any cost. By further information about palm oil, I will tell in further videos. Jai Gurudev.